Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. For our interior, we've got a ginger beige MB Tex espresso brown interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of clean floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Coming up front here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you the lane tracking package, blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, a nice natural grain brown ash wood trim. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with the smartphone integration package, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. A rear view backup camera. Our radio. Heated seats, dual climate zone. Our buttons for our media center. This GLE has 23,394 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.